Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how to make oven baked moi moi. You can also call it oven baked moi moi in muffin cups. Watching if you want to find out how to bake your moi moi without it getting dry, and also the twist on how I make this delicious oven baked moi moi. This oven baked moi moi, I'll be using a different method from how we normally cook our moi moi. Into a pan, I have some oil. I will add onion, thyme, and I've already blended red bell pepper, scotch bonnet, and onion. I'll be adding them into the oil. Then I will stir to fry. The red bell pepper sauce is frying. I'll add some salt. In the red bell pepper mixture for about 3 minutes because I want the onion spices to release their flavors. I'll be adding stock cube. I will stir together and turn off the heat. I'll be using the same blender that I used to blend the red bell pepper mixture. I will add the soaked beans. You can check out my video on how to peel your beans at home. I'll be adding some water, not too much water. Cover the blender and blend into a smooth paste. Please always make sure that the texture of the beans is so smooth. When I notice that the texture of the beans is smooth, I will pour the blended beans mixture into a bowl. Little water to rinse the blender and pour it into the beans mixture. Add the fried red bell pepper mixture into the beans. Make sure that the fried pepper mixture mix properly into the blended beans. You can notice that the color of the beans have changed. It shows that the pepper mixture have mixed properly. I'll be using tinned mackerel fish, oil that I got from the fish into the beans mixture. Feel free to use any fish that you like or any other topping. After turning the moi moi mixture, if you notice that you need more oil, you can add more. And also taste for salt. I'll be using muffin cups and oven tray to bake this moi moi. So I will be rubbing some oil on the cup and the oven tray. This will prevent the moi moi from sticking on the tray. The fish into smaller pieces. Lastly, I forgot to add crayfish. This is optional. If you don't like crayfish, you can skip this method. Then I will make sure that I stir it to mix properly. Mixing the moi moi, make sure that you check for salt and add if needed. Adding the moi moi mixture into the muffin cups. Make sure that you do not overfill the muffin cup to avoid spilling. moi into the muffin cups. I'll be adding some toppings. I'll be using fish, prawn, spring onion and egg. This is optional. If you like your moi moi to be plain, skip this method. Adding all the topping, I will cover with foil paper. This will prevent the moi moi from drying up. Make sure that you have preheated the oven. I'll be adding some water into the oven tray. Then I will place the muffin tray. And add the tray into the preheated oven and allow to bake for about 15 minutes. After about 30 minutes of baking the moi moi, always check if you need to top up some water. Then I'll put back into the oven. 15 minutes more, check if the moi moi is fully cooked. Then turn off the heat. I hope you can see how easy it is to bake your moi moi in the oven. And this moi moi tastes so delicious. You can enjoy your moi moi with jollof rice, salad, custard or even gari. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.